In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to delete sales reps from your AlignMix file. Let's zoom into an area like Houston, down here in Texas. You'll see that we have 2 sales reps here. The only way to delete a sales rep is to delete them in Edit Personnel. You can reassign sales reps, but by doing so, you're simply moving their assignments. So let's say we reassign Ronald Swans here. And we would do that by right-clicking on a territory, click on Properties, and we'll simply select a different sales rep for that territory and click OK. So now Ronald Swans does not have a territory assignment, but he's still on the map. So if you plan to delete a sales rep, simply reassigning them won't do the job. So to delete Ronald Swans from this file, you click on Edit Personnel and simply locate Ronald Swans here in the sales rep area, select Ronald Swans, and then click on the Delete button, and then click on OK. And just like that, you've deleted the sales rep from this file. And there you go. You've just learned how to delete sales reps from your AlignMix files.